Welcome to the lecture on analytics and optimization. In this lecture, we will be introducing you to the basics of analytics and how to use data to measure the success of your e-commerce business. By the end of this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of how to track and analyze key metrics and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and marketing efforts. Analytics play a crucial role in the success of any e-commerce business. By tracking and analyzing key metrics, you can gain valuable insights into customer behavior, website performance, and marketing effectiveness. This information can then be used to make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and marketing efforts, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue. When it comes to analytics, there are several key metrics that you should be tracking. Website traffic. This includes the number of visitors to your website, where they are coming from, and how they are interacting with your site. Sales and revenue. This includes information on how many products are being sold, the average order value, and overall revenue. Customer behavior. This includes information on how customers are interacting with your website, such as how long they are spending on your site, which pages they are visiting, and what products they are viewing. There are a variety of tools available for tracking and analyzing these metrics, such as Google Analytics, which is a free and widely used tool. Additionally, you can use tools like heat maps and session recordings to gain a deeper understanding of how customers are interacting with your website. That's all for this lecture on Introduction to Analytics for E-commerce. In the next lecture, we will discuss growing and scaling your business. As an exercise, you can set up and start tracking key metrics using Google Analytics. On your Bulb Fashion account, you can also track article and product analytics. You can also research and investigate other analytics tools available. You can then analyze the data and identify areas for improvement on your website and marketing strategies. By the end of this exercise, you will have a clear understanding of how to use analytics to measure the success of your e-commerce business and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and marketing efforts.